one major path-breaking recommendation is with regard to decriminalizing certain offences. Three kinds of offences have been recommended to be decriminalized. They pertain to obstruction or preventing any officer in discharge of his duties, deliberate tampering of material evidence, failure to supply the information. Moreover, the threshold limit of tax amount for launching prosecution in any criminal offence defined under the GST laws, the limit has been increased from 1 crore to 2 crore for all offences other than those involving fake invoices. In the same line of reducing the workload of the courts, compounding amount has been decreased. Right now it is 50% to 200%, 150% of the tax amount. So this has been reduced to 25% to 100%. Certain decisions were also taken regarding rates. One of them is relating to husk of pulses, including chilka and concentrates, including churi, khanda, etc. This attracts 5% rate. This has been reduced to nil. Previously, when it was used as cattle feed, it was exempt. But when used as a cattle feed ingredient, it was being taxed at 5%. So this relief is being given. The other exemption relates to extension of the 5% tax on ethyl alcohol, presently 18%, for blending purposes. Already we had allowed 5% reduced rate for blending with petrol by the oil marketing companies. Now this exemption is being extended to the refineries as well. So this will further promote our efforts on blending and reduce our dependence on imported crude and thereby save precious foreign exchange. Then a number of clarifications were given, basically so as to provide clarity, because some tax authorities were assessing it at one tax rate, other authorities at another tax rate. I think it's a very good idea if such kind of circulars are issued on a regular basis. So in line with that, Council decided to issue circulars relating to RAB, FRIAMs, which will attract 18%, which are already attracting 18%, but just a clarification so that there is no doubt. Similarly, the cess, applicability of cess on SUVs, this was clarified, and certain clarification was also provided for the equipment and materials used by petroleum companies for exploration, etc. It was also decided to include supply of mentha arvensis under reverse charge mechanism, as has been already done for mentha oil. A major decision was taken today to facilitate e-commerce for micro enterprises. You would be aware in the last meeting, 47th GST Council meeting, Council had decided to allow the e-commerce operators to supply the unregistered, the products of unregistered vendors, dealers, as well as composition taxpayers. So the modalities for that in terms of the changes it would require in the law and the rules, etc., were approved by the Council. Then there were a number of other matters for relief and clarification for the taxpayers. One pertaining to the years 17, 18, 18, 19 as to how to deal with the mismatch of the invoices in GSTR1 vis-a-vis GSTR3B. So that will further help in the administration of tax. Another clarification pertains to the no claim bonus which is offered by the insurance companies. So it has been decided to clarify that this will not attract any GST. No claim bonuses, as you are aware, offered by insurance companies when the insurer does not claim any compensation under motor insurance or any other insurance. So these are, I think, the major decisions taken by the Council. We'll of course be circulating a detailed